Day
8.
We're gonna go to whitewater rafting today. Yes, we're in Taronga.
Yes.
Like the top. Oh look, there we are there, right at the top. This is where we're going tomorrow. No, next day. That's where we're going tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. Just a spot of lunch to fill our big old bellies before we go and do some rafting. Cheers.
Wave to the camera! Stand up, buddy! Now, how badass is that? Come on, stand up like I am a bit.
And a thank you, Callum, for that footage. Thanks, Callum. There is there. We were wearing helmets all night. So now we're gonna go back to the bus, and we're gonna We're on the bus. We're on the bus back, and we're gonna go and get more food, obviously. We'll have a fun time.
Yeah. Very fun. Yeah, with the hat it's better.
Had a great time, mate.
And what are we doing now?
Eating again.
Yes.
Gnocchi.
Our last ever Taronga. I'll miss this little place. Or Taronga.
Why is it not on selfie cam?
Because I was feeling like this before. It's morning. We're in Auckland. Here we go here. And then if you just look right over there, we're gonna be hopping out of that thing there.
Whoa, we are
this thing here, we're gonna be jumping out of that one today.
Is our top priority. To ensure your safety while on board, please do not stand up as the tender approaches the pier. Remain seated.
Take a photo with your coffee because it matches my sweater.
Wait, let me get rid of the chins.
We'll be jumping off of there. Splat.
Alright, Colin, we'll get a photo, bro. Looking up at the camera here for the man. 3, 2, 1. So we 2 minutes to Colin. Alright, turn around, Colin. Look up at the camera here. What's up, people? On the top of the sky tower here with Colin in Auckland, New Zealand. This guy's about to jump off the tower today. He's going to do a 192-meter jump and he'll be falling for 11 seconds. How you feeling, man?
Scared.
Yeah, right? Look down here, bro. See where you're going?
Yeah, lots of concrete. Nice.
Yeah. Get you to turn and face this way. Hold on there with both hands, bro. Just face your body that way. That's it. Feet right up to the edge for me. That's it. So you just gotta wait for my countdown, man. So when I say go, bro, I want you to take both hands off. Big jump out, okay? Sure. Here comes Colin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Much better than I thought it would be.
How do you feel?
Yeah, great. That's a great time. High five.
Good stuff.
We have successfully jumped and we survived.
New Zealand, mate.
Yeah, nice. This is Auckland, my hometown.
So that just there. This is how we just jumped off. Don't zoom in on my face.
I got some pancakes and pancakes. Carly got back on the
That was
ship.
a photo.
Carly got back on the ship, but we are getting on a little mini ferry over to Devonport because we've only got one Auckland left after this.
One Auckland.
Well, I was going to say 2 Aucklands left, but after this there's only one, so. No.
You is Colin. There we go.
So we're at dinner, and
They've left us.
half the table's left us.
Where'd you go?
Hashtag OPP.
We just be out here walking. And
Run this song and big lift. Oh,
are you going to tap out? Look, there's a car coming.
Yep.
Tapping out? Yep. Same with Colin. We're done with these violent games. See it?
Out again. Huh? We're done.
Good. You tapped out.
Garage.
Gute Nacht.
So, today, we were in port. I did not vlog anything.
No, we didn't. We didn't do much. We ate food, we chilled, we walked around. Montana and I had some scraps.
Okay, then we came back. We had dinner at Jamie's Italian. And I've had a lot of drinks since then.
Alright.
We went to a game show. As you can tell by the quality of my filming, I drank too much.
I drank water.
And I actually think I might go and dance it up in the nightclub.
Yeah.
Just by myself. Goals.
Oh, obviously.
So we ended up at the nightclub for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, this is blocked off. I'm going the wrong way. We ended up in the nightclub. We got lots of compliments on our dance moves.
We did. I had 4 bottles of water, so I really, really need to pee.
I had a lot of wine. Like a lot of wine.
You also had a Malibu Coke.
I had a Malibu Coke. I tried to get another one, but the bar was too slow. But it was fun. You can open the door. I've got no shoes on.
Yeah.
This is how.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Nice.
So
Oh, it's nice and cool. Oh, it's so nice and cool in here.
all right, I'm gonna go get a water. Don't put the camera on me right now.
Okay, so Carly and I are sat in bed watching Modern Family.
As
And-
we have for 12
And yeah, I
nights
think
now.
that this should be documented because we've done this every single night before we've gone to bed. No matter how late we've got back, we've sat and watched Modern Family. It's the last night. She leaves tomorrow.
Don't seem so
Yes.
happy. In the door if it's my Colin, I really.
I just had to film it. You want to get your...
What is it?
It's just your bill.